Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unlocking economics, a seriously powerful toolkit for understanding human choices. Let's get started. Okay, let's dive into this. How do we satisfy unlimited human wants when our resources are completely finite? That's scarcity. It literally forces every single society to make tough choices about what, how, and for whom to produce. See, every choice has a cost. Deciding to get more of one thing means sacrificing your next best alternative. And this brilliantly illustrates our two lenses. Micro focuses on individual markets, while macro zooms way out holistically. Micro looks at how specific people and businesses optimize, like, say, using AI to dynamically adjust product prices. Macroeconomics, though, analyzes the whole economy. We're talking massive global trends, like shifting supply chains or national inflation. But they totally connect. Individual micro-choices, like consumers saving more, can actually trigger massive macroeconomic shifts, like unemployment. So how do economists talk about this? They use objective, factual positive statements and subjective normative statements. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that 2.5% inflation is a verifiable positive fact. In contrast, saying the government should increase healthcare spending, that's normative. It's a moral value judgment, not a testable fact. Economists really strive for value neutrality here. They provide neutral data so policymakers can navigate conflicting societal values. But wait, without controlled lab experiments, how do economists actually establish these theories in the first place? One way is the deductive method. It moves logically downwards from broad general assumptions to specific, testable predictions. While this logic is mathematically exact and powerful, it can unfortunately rely on pretty unrealistic human behavior assumptions. Let's move to and see how this builds. The inductive method works upwards, gathering real-world data for theories. Induction is highly realistic since it relies on hard facts, even though collecting all that data is super costly. Ultimately, modern economists combine both methods perfectly. It's just like using your right and left foot to walk. So, ask yourself, are your own economic views based on solid positive evidence, or are they driven by emotion?